friends, welcome back to Tutorial Days, and in this video you are learning Flask tutorial. In the first video we discussed about what is Python, what is Jinja template, and what is WSGI. In case you have missed this video, then I recommend you to check that that video first, then you will understand its concept. In this video series we are going to set up environment. As you know, for any programming language you need to first set up the environment, then you can run the program. So the first thing is, what is prerequisite? So the prerequisite is Python 2.6 or higher is required. As you know, by the time I'm recording this video, the current version is Python 3.xxx version. But if you have 2.6, then that's fine, and above. Minimum should be 2.6. And the next task will be, we will be installing virtual env so that multiple applications can be run together. So what is this? Virtual env is a virtual Python environment builder. Okay, it's a virtual, not physical. It helps a user to create multiple Python environments side by side, as I mentioned before. So in case it's Linux OS or OS X, use below command sudo apt get installed virtual env. If you have Linux or OS X, then you use this command. As you know that sudo is using that. For Windows, we will be using pip install virtual env. Before we proceed ahead, if you want to check if the Python is installed into your computer or not, so how you will check that, let me show you. First open command prompt and then write here Python. You can see current version of Python is 3.10.4. That means what? Python is installed. In case in your system, in your computer, Python is not installed, then first you install Python and then you will install and other things like virtual env. Okay, so we will first install this pip install virtual env. So inside my D drive I will create mkdir flask tutorial, cd flask tutorial. Here I'm going to pip install virtual env. Okay, it says requirement already satisfied. That means what? I had already actually installed this. That's why it's showing this requirement already satisfied. Now the second step is, let's create a project, and the project name is my project. You can give it any name. So for the time being, let's name it my project only. So mkdir, then my project, cd my project. Now let's write here virtual env, then this. So now this one is created. In case if you're using Linux or OS X, then you need to write venv/bin/activate. In our case, we will write venv scripts then activate. Okay, so now as you can see, we are inside virtual environment. And finally, pip flask install. Flask is already installed. Pip install Flask, actually it will be like this. Okay, so now Flask is being installed. Finally, Flask got installed. So if you go to the project, then this is my project. and inside this virtual environment, and then there are a few scripts here. So as you can see, if you go inside scripts, that means Flask script, then you can see there are a lot of files. So let's leave it for the time being. This is library file, a lot of file here, packages also. Now, so that's it in environment setup. So guys, that was that in environment setup, and in this video, as you can see, we have set up the environment. So in the next video, we will start writing the application. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, then I recommend you to subscribe the channel and also press the bell button so that the video will reach to you first. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.